Welcome to Murthy Technologies channel. It is useful to get the good marks in especially C, C++, Java programming and degree syllabus. Okay, here viewers, we will explain about most important concept today, that is called constructor and types of constructors. 10 marks, damn sure question in BCA second semester. Okay, what is the meaning of constructor? Explain about types of constructors. Constructor is nothing but a function. It's same name of class name. Constructor is a function with same name of class name. Okay, that is called a constructor. Constructor is nothing but a same function name with class name. Any function with same class name, that function is called a constructor. More than one constructor in the class, that is called constructor overloading. Okay, constructor name is same exact name of class name, that is called a constructor. Constructors are used to initialize values of the object. We will explain clearly each and every points. Okay, here clearly observe what is the meaning of constructor, what are the types of constructors. Okay, what is the meaning of constructor, what are types of constructor. Constructors are special functions with same class name. Constructors are special functions with same class name. There are three types of constructors: default constructor, parameter constructor, copy constructor. Default constructor, another name is called null constructor. Okay, there are different types of constructors are available. Okay, constructors is nothing but a special function with same class name. Special function with same class name. Here what default constructor, or first one is called default constructor or null constructor. The constructors cannot accept any parameters. The null constructors or default constructor cannot accept any parameters, cannot return any values. That constructor is called a null constructor as parameter constructor. Here we will clearly explain. This a class name is called student. Okay, what is the meaning of constructor? Create the same class name function. It is called a student is called a function with same class name, that is called class name is also student, function name is also student. It is called a default constructor. It initializes the roll number 0. It is called a default constructor. Here another model, it is parameter constructor. Parameter constructor can take arguments. It accept arguments, more than one argument is called a parameter constructor. Here what is the name of the class? Student. What is the data type? Roll number. I want to create the constructor same class name, student roll number. Okay, here student is a function. It is similar to class name, exact class name, that is called constructor. Constructor is called a parameter constructor. It accepts R value. R value stored on original data type roll number. So it is a parameter constructor. Here another model is called a copy constructor. The copy constructor accepts reference objects of the same class. The parameter constructor accepts only values, but copy constructor accepts the same class object. Okay, same class object. We will explain clearly. Here student is called a class name. The student copy constructor we have created, it is accept the same class object. What is the class name? Student. It accepts the same class object. That object dot roll number stored on RNO. It is called a copy constructor. You will explain with the constructor overloading. We are creating complex class, real number, imaginary, or data types. It is called a null constructor. Null constructor initializes with zeros. Real number 0, imaginary 0. I am creating copy constructor. Copy constructor accept one object. Object real number, object dot imaginary. I want to display the data with the help of put data function. Real number or imaginary, real number real or imaginary part image. Okay, we will access the functions with the help of main function. Simply create the complex C. C is called object. It accepts only for null constructor. It calls the once create C object, it automatically calls the only for null constructor. It calls the only for null constructor. Next one, I am calling C1 of 1323. It calls the parameter constructor. If it is available, then calls the parameter constructor. Next one, I am calling the that is copy constructor, that is called C2 is equal to complex of C1, it is called copy constructor. Okay, then I want to display the C1 data, C data, that means empty data, C1 data. Next one, C2 data. C2 is called a copied, C1 is called original data, number 1323, real number 23 stored in C1. The C1 data is copied into C2. Then I am displaying the C1 data, original data, copy data available in C2. So C is called a only for empty data, that is called null constructor. We will create another constructor that is called here parameter constructor also, complex of int r comma int I. Then we will add those items. Here real is equal to r. Next one, image img is equal to I. Okay, clearly is equal to I. Here these are the called parameter constructor. It is called a parameter constructor. It is called parameter constructor. It is called parameter constructor. So we have created more than one constructor in the class, that is called constructor overloading. Here clearly observe, first one is called null constructor, it is called parameter constructor, it is called a copy constructor. So whenever we call the complex C, it immediately calls only null constructor. C1 of 1323 calls the parameter constructor, it is called a parameter constructor. Next one, what we are calling, it is called C1, complex of C1, it is called parameter constructor. It is called copy constructor, sorry. It displays the C1 data, C2 data and C data. Next one, destructors. Destructors is nothing but used to destroy the objects. Once you have been completed construction. Construction means creating, destruction means destroy, that means remove. Okay, it is similar to like constructors, but it is preceded by symbol, tied symbol. It is similar to constructor name, but starting prefix with tied symbol. Okay, it never takes any arguments, never return any value. Constructor accept the values but not return values, but destructor never take values, never return values. No return values, no take values, but constructors can accept values but not return values. Okay, it will executed implicitly whenever the program is terminated. The destructors are called when the program is closed, terminated. Okay, then immediately when a new is used to create a memory constructor, it will delete the memory with the help of destructors. New is called a create memory, delete called destructors. We are clearly example that this is called a constructor. It is called a constructor without symbol. It is called destructor with symbol. Destructors always with tied symbol. Always with tied symbol. Same are called class name. We are creating class name is called destructor. Without symbol is called a constructor. With symbol is called destructor. With symbol is called a destructor. It automatically calls with the help of main function. Whenever we call the D, automatically call the constructors. Once close the program, automatically it will call the destructors. Okay. Here clearly we will explain what is constructor, explain types of constructors, what is destructor. What destructor is similar to constructor, but it is start with precedence symbol. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe Murthy Technologies channel to get the good marks in public examination. Thank you very much.